Yo, what's up guys? This is like deja vu. Last year I did a "We Have Arrived" clip on this exact same location. But we are here, sunny Spain. Yesterday was just a chill day, but today we're heading out, getting some cool clips and exploring the region a bit more. So yeah, having a great time, you know. How's your day going?
Really well, thank you.
Jacob? Good. First drone shot. Successful, mate. This is what happens when you go to town with photographers. Jeez. Watch the hyperlapse now. Come on, Jacob, get that shot. The hill by the apartment is no joke. Look at this sweat. It's ridiculous. I like ice cream, got some cool drone shots. Good time, need to cool down. Late night pool sesh. Let's go. Yo guys, my camera's broke, but we're going to the sunset, get some ice cream, hopefully get a time lapse. If not, try and get a time lapse another day. Let's go.
I don't usually go out this late at night, to the place where the animals go. But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me, kick it with the harmonies. Let go of your worries, you should dance with me.
You ready for ice cream?
Yeah, I can't wait for ice cream.
Yes.
My first ice cream.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh.
There's way too much choice here.
We got the ice cream.
Whoop whoop, ice cream, brownie and what, coffee? Come on. Cheese. Turning in for the night. A lovely time, ice cream, sunset, getting those shots. My guy Jacob, follow him.
Snorkel!
Stop right there. It was at this moment I knew I messed up. Unfortunately for me, a crowd was gathered to watch me fall over. So I had to get up, act as if I was alright, and snorkel. Right mate, it's alright, you can cue music now. After that little accident, we decided it wasn't that safe to go snorkeling in those pools, so now we've walked around the cove to this lovely place. Look at that, all the boats, clear water. We're gonna go snorkel over there just about now. shoulder fish. Can't find them. They disappeared. I'm just hoping that shot looks dope. I'm hoping that shot looks good. But it is so nice. This is literally so nice. That was a great session, lads. Woo! I'm so tired out from all those dives. Hopefully the clips look good. Time to chill for the rest of the day and then go on a date with my bae. 3 years, come on. I'm very excited. Woo!
It's hard when you don't get the time to do the things you gotta do. Always moving forward, always on
3 years.
the go. I hope you take a moment to take it slow. Let me be the one to ease your pain.
Just going out for the last meal, evening meal together with the family. Em and Jacob been taking pictures. Cheese! Cheat, 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 cheat. You're hungry? Me too. Let's go. A lovely meal and we leave tomorrow, so yeah, I had a great time away. It's time to go home. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Let's go. I've had to pull back into where the gate is because they heard an interesting noise. Right now, we were late anyway. Let's hope it's nothing and that we don't get delayed or cancelled, because that would be terrible.